Welcome to the Glassskinz home office. I'm Steve. I'm the mad scientist behind the Glassskinz brand, patent holder, designer, chief dishwasher. I do it all. So today we're here to teach you how to install your C6 Thresher. First, we're going to start out with the equipment that you need. Basics like microfiber cloths. We like to use the invisible glass cleaner because it's streak free and doesn't leave any residue. You'll need some wax to wax your part after it's installed. And on this model, what we're going to do is use some painter's tape to lay down around the edge of the glass to protect the paint in advance of installing the vehicle. In your package, you will also get these ampules, which is called a 3M primer that you'll apply to the glass. We'll show you how to do this a little bit later. And then next, we're going to show you how to prep the part for installation. So this is your C6 Thresher on the back side. It's on its back. We put a nice cloth down to protect the paint because this is painted red. And we're going to show you how to prep the part and be ready to install it. So essentially we have these bumpers here. This brown paper actually peels off. So you'll grab the edge of that and you'll peel these off to install the part. Also what we're going to do is we're going to prep these, and what you want to do is start your tape here and peel it back over the edges. If you want to use some of the painter's tape to hold these back so that they don't flip back and get in your way, you can go ahead and do that. Once you've prepped all 4 of these tabs, then you'll be ready to install it. So we're right out front here. We've got this beautiful Z06, which actually matches the CG render that we presented to you about 6 months ago before we introduced the part. What we're going to do is take our tape and we're going to apply it to the base of the window. Just a reminder, we showed you these earlier. This is the 3M 94 primer, which we're applying to the glass. The adhesion promoter is going to help the tape stick to the glass faster. They do need to sit for a minimum of 10 hours when we have the warmer temperatures. If you're in colder temperatures, it's going to need to sit a full 24 hours. The part's all prepped, and we're here with Ron, the owner of this beautiful Z06 C6, and we're going to install the Thresher. Line it up to the top edge of your glass and just lay it down. Check your fit. So once it's in place, I'm going to let it warm up a little bit on the car, and then we're going to go ahead and peel the permanent tape. So basically what you're seeing is I'm applying a lot of pressure and rubbing it into place. And we'll have to keep doing this for a few moments as it sets. The adhesive primer will help it really set quickly, but we still want to make sure that we've got a perfect bond and there's no bubbles underneath the tape. And there we go. She's fully installed, C6 Thresher. One piece, rear window valance, otherwise called the louver. She also has no visibility obstruction, and to boot, she matches exactly our CG render.